Switching mode power supply, SMPS, implements active power factor correction, PFC, is fully compliant with regional regulations imposing restrictions on power factor and total harmonic distortion, THD, in high-power applications greater than 75 watt, including CCC or 3C in China, IEC 1003-2, EN 61003-2 in Europe, 80+ policy in America. Energy Star meets energy-saving and green energy trends to reduce electricity costs, optimizes and improves circuit performance, reduces mains harmonic content, decreases peak current at mains frequency, minimizes the electrolytic bulk capacitor used at PFC stage output, shrinks mains transformer size and weight, improves output regulation of downstream DC-DC converters. Active PFC is an electronic system that controls the amount of power drawn by a load in order to obtain a power factor as close as possible to unity. In most applications, the active PFC controls the input current of the load so that the current waveform is proportional to the mains voltage waveform. Active PFC is related to the reduction of the harmonic content and/or the aligning of the phase angle of incoming current. PFC is required to reduce disturbance on the AC distribution net and maximize the real power drawn by the power supply from the AC line. Depending on inductor current and system loading, PFC mode can be specified as continuous current mode, CCM, discontinuous current mode, DCM, and critical or boundary mode, CRM. Regarding to diodes for PFC, NXP bipolar covers full range for PFC diode, from typical DCM to critical mode CRM to CCM. The current rating is from 5 ampere to 20 ampere. NXP bipolar also has complete portfolio for ultra-fast diode, covering 5 ampere to 30 ampere, 100 volt to 800 volt. NXP bipolar package offering mainly focuses on TO220 packages, D-Pack, and D-squared pack. With new development, it will provide more options in axial lead, SMD, and power packages. This slide presents some typical suggestions for different applications. For instance, BYV29FX600 has been widely adopted by LCD TV makers. It proves to be an extraordinary option for LED backlight unit TV with 150 watt to 200 watt output power. Casco diode BYC58X600 is newly introduced platform with hyper-fast recovery speed and low VF. It's a good candidate for high-efficiency SMPS applications. BYV32EB200 is utilized in DC-DC telecom power supplier with output voltage above 12 volt. The key advantage of NXP bipolar power diodes is the unique good killing process technology, which gives best trade-off between VF and TRR, comparing to competitors' products. The details will be shared in the next slide. Besides excellence of product performance, the complete PFC diode portfolio covers all PFC current mode and different package request. HQ close to manufacturing sites improves manufacture and quality supervision. PL individually owned front-end and back-ends prove sufficient capacity. On-site quality control provides reliable product quality. Silicon wafer will have gold doping process in order to accelerate the combination and separation of electron and hole in p-n junction. We already know that VF and TRR vary with temperature changes, and conversely, the temperature is influenced by the VF and TRR due to the energy loss. There is an equilibrium operating temperature at which point the VF and TRR are stable. Although NXP PFC diodes do not have the lowest VF and shortest TRR at normal ambient temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, they will reach the lowest equilibrium temperature because of the best VF to TRR trade-off. As the temperature rises, the VF of NXP PFC diodes tends to drop faster than that of any other competitors. The TRR of NXP PFC diodes tends to increase more slowly as the temperature rises. The figure below right shows that the BYC 8X600 has the shortest TRR above 104 degrees Celsius. In the application circuit, shorter TRR will lead to lower temperature of the MOSFET, thus improving the efficiency of the system. This is an example of the NXP part numbering system. Mentioned in the code are the technology, the die number, the process identifier, and the package identifier. The key parameters for a PFC diode are VRRM, IF, VF, TRR, and IFSM. VRRM, repetitive peak reverse voltage, IF, average forward current flowing through the diode, VF, diode's forward voltage at on-stage, TRR, reverse recovery time, IFSM, non-repetitive peak forward current. Last but not least, package type. The Casco diode is a new product family used for switch mode power supplies, SMPS, with a PFC function. It uses the industry's most advanced Dyson series connection technology and has ultra-fast recovery speed and low forward voltage drop. Its typical recovery time is 70% faster than the recovery time of ordinary mainstream current continuous mode PFC diodes, and its forward voltage drop is 10% lower than same-level products. This brings about a clear increase in the overall efficiency of the SMPS that use it. The Casco diode therefore effectively raises the AC-DC power transfer efficiency on PFC circuits, thus greatly reducing the power consumption of SMPS caused by voltage transfer. This helps power design engineers to easily devise high-efficiency products that meet the requirements of 85+ and 90+ certification. Its main applications are in LCD TVs, LED TVs, servers, and telecommunications equipment base station power supplies, as well as other industrial products that have high efficiency requirements, such as welding machines and power generation equipment. Audience can refer to corresponding links for more details on bipolar power diodes. Thank you for your attention.